Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power x by 25 equals 60 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 5 power x by 25, I can write it as 5 square equals 60. Now as per exponent rule, a power m by a power n, we can write it as a power m minus n. So this becomes 5 power x minus 2 equals 60. Now I am taking log on both sides. So as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it's x minus 2 log 5 equal log 60. So x minus 2 equal log 60 by log 5 I can write. Now this 60 I can write it as log 5 times 12 by log 5. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So x minus 2 equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 12 by log 5. So this will cancel out and gives 1. So x minus 2 equal 1 plus log this 12 I can write it as 3 times 4 by log 5. So x equal, take the negative 2 to other side. So 2 plus 1 plus log 3 by log 5. Now x equal 3 plus log 3 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. So x is equals to 3 plus log 3 with base 5 plus log 4 with base 5. So this is the value of x. Now let's verify this. So 5 power x by 25 equals 60. So 5 power 3 plus log 3 by 3 with base 5 plus log 4 with base 5 by 25 equals 60 or not, we have to check. So it becomes 5 power 3 times 5 power log 3 with base 5 times 5 power log 4 with base 5 by 25. So 5 power 3 is 5 times this becomes 1. 25 times this becomes 3 and this becomes 4 because 5 cube you can write 125 or 5 times 25. And this here 5 power log 3 with base 5 gives you log 3 only 3 and 5 log 4 with base 5 gives 4. So we can cancel out 25 with 25. Now what is left? 5 times 3 times 4, that is 5 times 12, which is equals to 60. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So x is equals to 3 plus log 3 with base 5 plus log 4 with base 5 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.